Three Etsy niches no one talks about, but they sell like crazy. These aren't the typical start a sticker shop or do digital planners kind of ideas. These are quite the moneymakers that people overlook. And honestly, they're some of the most consistent sellers I've ever seen. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Karen. I started my digital product business back in 2020 with zero experience. And when I say zero, I mean like zero knowledge into digital products, zero marketing, zero sales experience. And now I help people just like you turn ideas into income streams. And today I'm spilling the tea on three Etsy niches that are extremely underrated but make bank. Let's start with the one that made me do a double take when I first discovered it, and that is obituary templates. I know it sounds morbid, but it's actually one of the most supportive, high value products you can offer. Families going through a loss often need something fast, editable, and beautiful. These templates are used for memorial services and can be personalized with photos, quotes, and stories. Now, I know this product might not be flashy, but if you create these with compassion and simplicity, they sell consistently and you'll be helping people during a really meaningful moment. And if you're thinking, okay, cool, but what else can I even create? I've got you. I put together a free guide with 500 plus digital product ideas, totally free, no fluff, just pure inspiration. Link is down below. Go grab it. Niche number two is such a millennial mom dream, and that is printable chore charts and cleaning schedules. We love an aesthetic routine, and these templates help people organize their week, delegate chores to their kids, and create Pinterest worthy fridge calendars. You can make weekly cleaning checklists, kids reward charts, and task trackers all in Canva. My neutral tone home management bundle that I literally created on a Sunday afternoon brought in $750 in the first month, and I priced it at $9. People love practical, usable, and pretty. And the best part is, once someone buys it, they often come back for other home organization products like planners, label, meal prep charts. It's literally the niche that keeps on giving. And finally, niche number three is pregnancy announcement templates. And oh my God, this one has such a fun surprise. These are editable Canva templates that expecting parents use to announce their pregnancy on social media. Think minimalist baby shoes on a blanket, edible due dates, and Baby Smith coming soon overlays. You can sell them as digital downloads or even offer bundles. I actually made a little 10 template pack for $11 and it exploded. I crossed 1,300 in sales in the first 5 weeks. And let me tell you, I didn't run a single ad. One thing about me is everything that I teach you inside my Canva to Cash program is everything that I've done organically. This one is such a joyful product to create, and you'll be amazed at how many people are looking for this exact thing, especially if you niche down by the vibe, the colors, the aesthetic, like boho, gender neutral, minimalist, seasonal. And if you're the kind of person who lives for templates that do the work for you, you are going to love this. My Digital Goldmine PLR membership that gives you done for you digital products every month that you can rebrand, customize, and sell as your own. It is literally plug and play. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Check it out if you want a shortcut. Now, I know these niches might seem super specific, and that's the point. These micro niches are exactly how you cut through the noise and start getting sales faster. You're not competing with thousands of generic shops. You're speaking directly to a specific need. When I had my Etsy shop and I shifted from broad to more niche down, my Etsy income went from random $20 weeks here and there to over $1,000 every single month. And this was with fewer listings and less stress. So if you're second guessing if those quiet niches are worth it, yes, they are. Lean into the specific and the sales will follow. And I would love to know which one of these three niches surprised you the most and which one are you thinking of trying first? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your ideas. And here is your permission slip to stop overthinking and start experimenting. The three niches I shared, they're not theory, they're real products in real shops making real money. And you don't need a design degree or a massive following to make it happen. Now, if you pair what you learned in this video today with this video right here, you'll be unstoppable. And if you're anything like me and you want to shortcut your way to success, If you want a faster way to start selling right now, then you need to check out my Digital Goldmine PLR membership. I give you high demand, low competition digital products every single month that you can rebrand and sell as your own. It's literally plug, play, and profit. Link is in the description. Go binge, go build, and I'll see you on the next one.